Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset the password for your Binance mobile application. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to the login page right now. As you can see right here, well, what you guys need to do is just enter your email right here. I'm gonna enter it right now. And guys, as you can see, I have entered it. Once you've done that, simply click on next. And from here, this is the password section. And we have forgotten it. Well, it's quite easy to recover our account. Click on this forgot password button here. Then as you can see, a reset password email will be sent to the registered email address. Click on this button continue. It might ask you to enter your authenticator app verification code. Simply enter it once you've done that. As you can see, the thing is going on right now. And guys, this is it. Now all you guys have to do is enter your new password right here and confirm it. Simply enter both of them and just hit on continue. And guys, that's about it. That's how you reset your password in Binance. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe to support Fuel Trust. Until next time, thank you.